Welcome to Core English Level 3, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to describe people and things in English. English uses describing words to tell us what something is like. These words are also called adjectives. Here are some simple examples. A big house. A small dog. A red car. A good job. These words tell us more about the thing. Now let's see how these words fit into sentences. They live in a big house. She has a small dog. He has a red car. He does a good job. In English, the describing word comes before the thing. Big house, small dog, red car. We don't change the describing word even if the words around it change. It stays the same. Let's look at these examples. A big house. Two big houses. The word big stays the same. At times, one describing word can be enough. A big house. A red car. Sometimes, English uses two or more describing words. Listen to these examples. A big red car. A small old house. The words sit together. At times, English speakers pause between describing words. We show that pause with a comma. A big red car. A long, difficult day. The meaning is the same with or without the commas. Sometimes, English speakers also use and between describing words. A long and cold winter. A big and busy city. This gives both ideas the same importance. All of these are natural. A long cold winter. A long cold winter. A long and cold winter. The important thing is meaning. Big or small, new or old, good or bad. Using these description words is helping the reader know the thing clearly. Now download your practice sheet for Lesson 1 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do the drills and drill videos for this lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to describe actions, how things happen, when they happen, and where they happen.